What's up, muscle maniacs and fitness fanatics? Today, we're diving into the deep end of the fitness pool with a challenge that's equal parts insane and exhilarating. 50 pull-ups a day. Now, before you all run off to try this at home and end up with a back resembling a pretzel, let's just say this challenge ain't for the faint of heart. It's a journey of muscle burn, sweat gallons, and questioning your life choices, all wrapped into one glorious package. But fear not, brave warriors. I'm your intrepid host, ready to guide you through the trenches of this pull-up marathon. We'll explore the benefits, the pitfalls, and the hilarious moments that come with swinging from a bar like a deranged monkey. So buckle up, grab your protein shake, and let's see if this 50 pull-up challenge is a recipe for gains or a disaster waiting to happen. 1. The foundation of this challenge lies in building upper body strength. Pull-ups engage major muscle groups like the latissimus dorsi, biceps, and shoulders. With consistent practice, executing 50 pull-ups daily can significantly enhance your ability to perform other exercises that demand upper body strength, contributing to overall functional fitness. 2. Ever struggled with grip strength during workouts? Pull-ups are your secret weapon. This exercise not only targets back and arm muscles, but also drastically improves grip strength. As you maintain this routine, you'll notice a remarkable difference in your ability to hold onto weights and bars during various exercises. 3. Your back muscles are in for a treat. Regularly completing 50 pull-ups daily works wonders for developing a stronger, more defined back. The engagement of the lats, traps, and rhomboids leads to improved posture and reduced risks of back-related discomfort or injury. 4. Pull-ups are a fantastic compound exercise that can aid in weight loss. By incorporating 50 pull-ups into your daily routine, you're engaging multiple muscle groups, which significantly contributes to burning calories. This, coupled with a balanced diet, can accelerate your weight loss journey. 5. The challenge of 50 pull-ups daily isn't just physical, it's a mental game too. The dedication and discipline required to consistently achieve this goal can significantly boost your mental toughness. Pushing through the challenge builds resilience, determination, and mental grit, which transcend beyond the gym into various aspects of your life. 6. If you're an athlete or someone who enjoys sports, the strength and endurance gained from 50 pull-ups daily can significantly enhance your athletic performance. The overall improvement in strength and stamina can give you a competitive edge and support better endurance in your chosen physical activities. 7. Poor posture can lead to discomfort and even chronic pain. Pull-ups, by strengthening the back and core muscles, aid in correcting posture issues caused by extended periods of sitting or poor posture habits. This leads to a more upright stance, reducing strain on the spine and boosting confidence in your appearance. 8. Muscle mass plays a crucial role in increasing metabolism. By regularly engaging in pull-ups and building muscle, your body's metabolic rate increases, allowing you to burn more calories even while at rest. This metabolic boost contributes to long-term weight management and overall health. 9. One of the beauties of pull-ups is their versatility. You don't need a fancy gym or equipment. Pull-ups can be performed almost anywhere, be it at home, in a park, or while traveling. This portability makes them an ideal exercise to maintain your fitness routine regardless of location. 10. Completing the challenge of 50 pull-ups daily instills a sense of achievement like no other. Witnessing your progress and surpassing fitness goals brings immense satisfaction, boosting your confidence and motivation to continue pushing boundaries. And there you have it, -10 compelling benefits of incorporating 50 pull-ups into your daily routine. Remember, consistency is key. Start gradually and work your way up to this challenge. Couple it with a well-balanced diet to maximize results. Are you ready to embrace this fitness journey and transform yourself? Let's pull ourselves up to a stronger, healthier version together.